Meaning of embryology.
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 Embryology. Embryology is the study of the development and growth of an organism from the fertilization of the egg to the point of birth or hatching. It involves examining the various stages of embryonic development and how different organs and systems form and function. By studying embryology, scientists can gain insights into the causes of various birth defects and genetic disorders, as well as the evolution of different species over time. Additionally, embryological research can also inform areas such as reproductive technologies and stem cell research.